Organizations around the world, specifically ISVs, require analytics to drive their operations, and many use Power BI as a tool to do so. Integrating Power BI into your apps can boost efficiency, but it has its own challenges. Such a solution requires a deep understanding of Power BI APIs and exceptional development skills. Building this expertise along with the API takes time, and the initial development cost is high. But we have a better solution that saves you from these hassles. We've done the hard work, so you don't have to. Introducing the EmbedFAST, a Power BI embedded API designed for ISVs. Seamlessly integrate the EmbedFAST into your existing applications and say goodbye to your customization troubles. Thanks to our built-in role-based access management, you can ensure that the right people have the right access to reports in just a few clicks. The EmbedFAST empowers you to onboard unlimited customer tenants, allowing your organization to grow with ease. Each workspace is isolated, ensuring absolute dataset privacy. With EmbedFAST, you get the best of Power BI and more. Gain complete access to authoring and customizing Power BI reports. No extra Power BI licenses are needed for report editors and sharers. Focus more on your work and less on licenses. Effortlessly set up email subscriptions with the EmbedFAST to make sure your customers get the information they need as scheduled. We created the EmbedFAST to improve your entire process, so you can focus on what truly matters, extracting valuable insights and driving business success for you and your customers. Experience a new level of integration and management for your organization. Try the EmbedFAST today.